it is Beyond Sound again, and today I'll be talking about the DBX graphics EQ. And one thing I want you guys to know is that the DBX graphics EQ is designed in accordance to human spectrum of hearing from 20 Hz to what? To 20 kHz. Today I want to briefly talk about every section and every button and every knob, what it works for. So let's go quickly. These knobs here are working for you to be able to alternate any particular frequency that you don't want in your output. So from 20 to 20k, you can alternate those frequency that you don't want. You can design the sound you actually want in your output here. And this knob here, probably the sound pressure level you want to increase is like a gain knob here. So you can increase and turn down. Here it has a low cut. So automatically when you press this, it activates the low cut to the system design frequency that has been designed to cut. It will cut off the low automatically. The lows to cut it off. Why it is written here range plus or minus 12. When you activate this button here, it automatically permits you to go below minus 6 decibel. You can see here it is 0 plus 6, then minus 6. So when you activate this range, it gives you an opportunity to go below minus 6. So you can, once you activate this, automatically this minus 6 turns to minus 12. Once you activate this, automatically the plus 6 turns to plus 12. So why these options is given is because sometimes when you have a particular frequency that you don't want, or for example there's feedback and you have gotten the particular frequency, for example if it's about 80 Hz that is not good, and you want to turn down the frequency, sometimes when you turn down from 80 Hz, you turn it down, the frequency that you don't want still persists. So when you turn it down by minus 6 and it still persists, you have not gotten what you wanted. You have not achieved what you wanted to achieve. So this button, once you activate it, it will help you go below minus 6. You can go as low as minus 12 decibel. That is the capacity of this EQ here. So this is the meter here. So it shows you when there is clipping. When it turns green, it means the signal is good. Yellow, I know you understand this. When it shows yellow, it's like it's telling you that it's about to get to the peak. So all these things, you need to pay attention to everything regarding sound. So this is the front view. Then I'm going to go to the back view and show you some things too. So it is